Good morning, it's Mana. Magandang umaga. I just wake up and it's 9 a.m. and I'm so hungry now. So today I'm gonna make Filipino breakfast and I prepare Filipino stuff. So okay, I still want to sleep. So today I'm gonna make Filipino breakfast. Okay, this is my small kitchen and I prepare this one. Wow! Beef loaf. And they say hot and spicy beef loaf. And another one is corned beef. When I was in the Philippines, I have eaten Filipino breakfast, I think twice. One is at luxury hotel and second one is at Jollibee, and I remember they have like corned beef one and this one is sausage. I think looks like sausage, and I bought those things at Filipino market. I'm gonna use those two one. In the Philippines, white rice is everywhere, so I'm gonna cook white rice as well. I realized when I search Filipino breakfast on Google, I think every Filipino breakfast has egg. Look at this. It's so interesting. So I think for Filipino breakfast, the eggs are so important. So I'm gonna make sunny egg as well. So let's go. This is my new IH heater. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Next one is gas one. Ooh, it's cool too. So I have two stoves and it's so convenient and I love two of them. But today I'm gonna use this one. Ping, ping, ping. Firstly, I'm gonna chop garlic. Smells so good. I can feel Filipino food right now. Okay, done. Next, I'm gonna cut onions. I just finished wash rice. Then I'm gonna add the garlics. Next, water. And add consomme. It's seasoning from Ajinomoto. This is my rice cooker and I'm gonna put rice, and while cooking rice, I'm gonna make corned beef. I just chopped garlic and onions, so I'm gonna fry it. So let's go. Onion and the garlics are okay right now, so I'm gonna open it. This is very fast time to open it. Whoa! Wow! So pink. Wow! So pink. But smells so good. So I'm gonna add corned beef as well. Smells so beef. Ooh, looks so masarap. And I had it already have own taste, so I don't need it add other seasonings. Keep going. The beef, corned beef are dried already and the smells so good. I'm so hungry right now. Next is fried eggs for Filipino breakfast. Fried eggs are so important, right? So I'm gonna make fried eggs and then finish. Yay! Finally, I made Filipino breakfast. Yay! I'm so hungry right now. It's 10 a.m. and it's time to eat breakfast, right? And wow, so beautiful! And I feel like I am in the Philippines right now. I use a lot of garlic and it's healthy. I think Japanese food not usually use garlic. So for me, think about garlic, I image Filipino food. So, いただきます。Oh my god, too yummy, too masarap. I feel like I'm so jealous Filipino people because from morning if you guys eat this one, that day will be lucky all day, right? And I love this part. Yolk part. Oh my god, I cannot stop eating. Too masarap. Usually I eat miso soup, onigiri, it's rice ball for breakfast, and sometimes I eat fish. But I think Filipino breakfast is totally different from Japanese breakfast, but I love both. Both are so masala. It's easy to cook it, and I feel like I am a good chef. Oh my god, so good. This combination are perfect. Garlic rice, corned beef, and fried egg. Too masala. Today I have to do so many things, but it gives me energy, so I feel like I can do anything. So good, so good. So keep eating. Oh my god, I feel like so sad because I can eat one bite, I think. No, 2 bites. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Bong, ba, bong. ごちそうさまでした。That's all. Today is good day. I know, I'm sure because from morning I ate beautiful, yummy, masala Filipino breakfast. I feel like so good, and I forgot to cook sausage one, so next time I should use it. Maybe it will be good masala too, I think. And if you have any recommended Filipino breakfast, please let me know because I wanna try it. Oh, I feel like so Philippines. And I miss you guys so much, and I love the Philippines so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sorry I did not make up and messy hairs, but I should make up and I changed my hairstyle too. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and follow my Instagram. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Come on.